Tell us a little bit about how your car detailing business got started.
Well, you know what, Robbie? Back in Florida,
Wow, Jay, it looks absolutely fantastic.
Oh, we're starting all the way over. I'm sorry.
Can you give me maybe a reason or two why anybody would want to do this in the first place?
A reason?
Yeah.
Who does not want? Come on, Robbie.
1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
The point where I said
1, 2, 3. Give you 3 reasons,
yeah,
or
I'll say,
after that?
Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3. So what else might lead into that?
Most importantly, it makes you feel good.
Well, that's all fine and dandy, but I mean, is it absolutely necessary?
And it has great, and it adds longevity and future.
Makes it easier.
Makes it easy to sell. All right, hold on.
And for everybody who mentions Manly Moments, that you saw it on Manly Moments, he'll go ahead and give you $10 off your first job. Can you do better than that?
Of course I could do better than that.